Hi, this is Mommy Powers. I'm sitting inside the 2015 Mitsubishi Mirage. Just thought I'd give you a little tour of the inside. Let's go ahead and start her up. Keyless start up, like that. The Mirage can comfortably seat 5. I've had it all week. This is the first video I've done, and I'm going to see how it goes. We may change the format up for the next vehicle I receive. We'll see. 2 rear seats, hatchback. My son's car seat did fit back there with no problem. Let's get a little music for you. What I really wanted to show you is the rear view camera. When you're going to back up, you have the camera, check surroundings for safety. Let's take her back a bit. That is impressive. My vehicles do not have that. I would love to have that, and you can find it in the Mitsubishi Mirage 2015. Thank you so much. This is Mommy Powers signing off. Bye-bye.